A new Courtyard by Marriott and Residence Inn at Charlotte Northlake Mall area. And a special thank you to Ryan for taking us on several room tours of this very nice property. Yeah, these are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Going down.
Hit 5 for me, boss man.
Alrighty. So, when did y'all open here?
Unofficially, the 8th was a soft opening. The grand opening party was actually yesterday.
Oh, okay. This is Ryan.
Hi, guys.
Fifth floor.
Okay, so we're getting out here?
Sure.
Going down.
Okay.
On the hallways, you can't tell the differences. It's not until you go in the room.
Yeah, you see one room is like courtyard rooms and one's like residence rooms.
Now you kind of figure that in the hallway when the doors are spaced together, like what's what, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Front desk. Oh, it's not gonna work. Got my RFID band. Very convenient. This is a king.
Okay.
Alrighty. Oh, that's a
That
nice
close.
desk.
Oh yeah, these are nice rooms.
Huge TV.
Yeah, and they're actually smart TVs, so check this out.
Oh, are they?
If I
Okay.
can find the remote.
Alright, let me get out of your
Oh,
way
here it
here.
is.
I'll be looking over here.
Now, because it's a dual-branded hotel, there are no suites on the courtyard side.
Okay.
And because also on the residence inside, there's no 2 queen rooms.
Oh.
They're all kings.
Wow.
So yeah, you got, Marriott does this a lot now, and I'm kind of jealous because we never had this at Hilton.
Like
TVs.
Netflix, YouTube,
Yeah.
Hulu, Crackle. These are actually nice rooms.
Okay, the bathroom is just on the other
Alrighty.
side of there.
Okay. Go ahead, TJ.
But it's
Go ahead.
a little bit of a squeeze. But yeah, all the residence inn rooms look like this. There's no 2 queens. There
Okay.
are there are 2 one-bedroom suites on each floor, but they're all occupied, so unfortunately I can't.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine. We got what we
There we
can.
go. Yep. Nice closet.
Same showers right behind you.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Okay. Nice.
That's got another one of those setups where the thing is on the
Yeah.
back wall there.
Yep.
That was kind of like I had that in the shower at the Hilton Garden Inn that we stayed at in Crabtree.
Yep.
And of course, since this is a residence inn, this is more of a suite because it's geared
Yeah.
for extended stay.
Full-size kitchen with the refrigerator and the
Yeah,
Two
residence
burners.
inns have those.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the 2 queen and this is the courtyard.
Okay.
I got the door. I'll let it
Alrighty.
close.
Nice.
And now this hotel also put showers in the 2 queens instead of tubs because
Oh.
we realized that was silly.
Okay.
Do it
Yeah.
one or the other.
Yeah. Like
Some
the,
of the rooms though do still have tubs, so like if you're in the 2 queen room, you may have a shower or a tub. But like, we
Okay.
leave it up to you. It's not like if you're in the king.
Thank you, Ryan.
These are the elevators at the new Courtyard Marriott and Residence Inn in Charlotte Northlake. Okay. Yeah, these are nice.
Mm-hmm.